You guys, one thing I forgot to mention to you is my hair takes a very long time to dry. It's almost dry now, but as you can see, it's still wet in the roots. I got this gray hair, but I did a good job on a little trim. I mean, the comb is going straight through it. It's another thing I forgot to mention. So I'm drying it now.
I'm sick of being scared.
I forgot. You know why? Because I'm old.
Sorry.
I'll be 45 in 2 months. But yeah, so this is it so far. I'm not gonna do a lot to my hair. I'm gonna bump it a little bit, try to curl it, and you know. So this is how it looks when it's almost dry. And oh, this is what I'm gonna say. And the reason why I put perms on my hair, because my hair is this thick, thicker than this. Once it's fully dry, it's just like poof, it's like a big ass afro. So this is why I put perms on my hair, because imagine if my hair is this thick when it's dry, how thick it is when it's not perm. Like, it's so unmanageable, and I'm an American black person, so I be struggling. But okay, let me get my emotions in check. Okay, you guys, I don't have time for my hair. It's not dry all the way. I have some kind of electrical problem going on in this house with them. So I'm gonna do a braid.
Everybody's gonna need energy.
I'm just gonna show y'all how to do a braid. I mean, this is the type. It's still not dry all the way, but see how thick it is.
And making sure that,
I comb it later.
We really do save our democracy. One of the things I just want to
parted
say
it right there
about this film is that this is not a slave movie.
Okay, let me turn this TV down.
This is also
put in ponytail.
The black women right now.
Okay. Put up ponytail. I'm just gonna do a quick braid. I'm not gonna wear my hair like this. Let's come out real good. Okay, I'm gonna just do that, cause this is the finale of this video. Plus, ain't nobody got time for it. So this is the cheap little dollar store braiding hair that I got, which I don't need all this hair, but I'm just gonna open it. I got a lot of stuff to do, so this one don't make videos that much. So. All right, I had to change too. I know I need some more curtains, but you know, I just don't have time for that shit. You know, I'm not a decorative type person. Okay, so I'm just gonna split this in half right here. Okay, so as you can see, I got enough hair, but it's gonna all blend in. So put it in 3 like I usually do. I'm not a braid, and I do anything that has something to do with hair. So you make you like a fake braid right there, but you attach it to that hair, and so you just start braiding your hair within the braid. Just keep braiding it. Don't put that much thought into it, so when you start thinking about it, start fucking up like it is doing, but you can just snatch this shit apart. Okay, so you just keep on braiding your hair in the braid. I don't think I got enough hair either, y'all, so I'm trying to just do this real quick. Like, well, I got my camera positioned properly. Okay, so you see, I'm just braiding it. Okay, I'm gonna have to flip it over, y'all. I'm so sorry, because this is difficult this way. Okay, so I'm flipped it over a little bit. Just don't put that much thought into it. Just keep on braiding it. Okay, so I'm just making a long, you know, braid type situation. So you just keep on braiding it. Okay, you see that? I'm not a beautician, but you know, since my mama knows so much about hair, she taught me everything, and I'm glad, because it saves a lot of money and time. And you keep on braiding it. I didn't put enough hair in here, but I mean, if you guys want to learn how to do this, of course, they have a billion YouTube videos you can use to do this shit. But anyway, you gotta catch them in. See, this is like a protective style, so you don't have to worry about your hair. If you're doing big braids, you don't have to worry about the ends being, you know, coming out all raggedy and shit like that. So You just braid that down. This might be cute. I'm gonna do it better, but I'm just giving y'all a little finale because, you know, nobody got time for that. And this video can't be too long. I think it's like a limit on YouTube how long the video be or whatever. But, I mean, the perm is fresh. It's nice. Okay, so make sure you grab those in so they won't be coming out. My fat ass breathing hard, but, you know, sometimes, you know, the videos, I mean, it's interesting enough, but, okay, so you see that? It look natural. It's like my unreal natural hair. You know, it's just something to do. Okay, so, okay, I'm braiding it. I'm gonna braid it all the way down. And when I'm done braiding it, I'm gonna come back and show you how it look. Cause, maybe not. I mean, the video is gonna be so long, they probably don't play the whole thing. So, I'm gonna have to cut it off a little bit. But anyway, I just did me a braid. As you can see, it's cute on me. It'll be even cuter if I had some lashes and things like that. Okay, I'll be back. So, y'all, I'm done. So, let me tell you what I did for y'all. I did my braid, I did my perm, and I put some pretty good lashes on. So y'all can see that this is like a going to the store style or whatever. I mean, you ain't gotta be I ain't going nowhere, so I just wanted to do me a video. So these, I love these pre-glued lashes. I mean, I probably could have did better, but I got too much stuff to do today to be making videos. So this is how I look. I did a little eyebrows. You know, my eyebrows don't ever come out perfect. Of course, if you know me, you'll know that. I know you have something to say, but don't judge me. And this ponytail is convenient. I mean, it could have been done better. I mean, you saw me do it. You seen I was rushing and shit, but I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it over. But this is the end. And with me, I don't wear a lot of foundation and stuff like I used to because, of course, I work outside. My skin is pretty clear. So with me, less is more. So I'm cute. This is the end of this video. And I mean, it looks all right. To me, I look better without makeup and lashes and stuff. You look younger without that. I feel like I look younger without. But anyway, I'll put a little lipstick on. Got my little ponytail working. Look good from the side, yeah. Woo. The perm is done. The hair is more easier to work with now. So that's it. In the cover, I need to brush my teeth, but I haven't done nothing yet. Okay, now lash about to fall out because these are not new lashes. But the thing about the pre-glued lashes, they last a little bit longer than the regular lashes. I don't know why, but I love them. You should go to any beauty shop near you and get these because they are cute. But I'm sure you guys could probably do them better than me. And I could do them better. You know, I could do stuff better. I could do my hair better. But shit, I mean, who's there for me to impress besides myself? All right, bye. Have a great one. Guys, I decided to tone down my hair a little bit and do a little cute bun. Looks natural. I mean, it's age appropriate. You know, seeing being that I have these gray hairs and I'm almost 45. Got a little. Well, you know, this is eyeliner on my eye, so I don't really have bags that bad. I mean, it's not that bad. I mean, I am 5 years away from being 50. So you gotta expect me to age a little bit. I'm still cute though. All right, so that's cute, I think. I mean, I look like a mother going to pick up their child at later. So looks like I'm gonna go to a meeting or something, but I'm cute. I put my glasses on. They're foggy and dirty, but I look intelligent because I am. did a rush job on my lashes, but I'm gonna fix them. Actually, I'm gonna take them off. It's just for the video. So all you guys that like to be judgmental, you kiss the inside of my ass. I'm playing.